Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to set up a custom Cash App pin right from your device to keep your account extra secure. Let's get started. First, open the Cash Apps on your phone. From any screen on the dashboard, tap your profile icon located in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select Privacy and Security here at the top under the Security section. You will see Security Log. This is where you enable your cache pin. Tap the slider to Next Security Log. To turn it on, you will be taken to a screen to create your new 4-digit pin. Enter a pin you can remember but doesn't share it with anyone, just like your debit card pin. Then confirm your pin by entering it again. Once confirmed, your cash pin is active. From now on. You need to enter this pin whenever you send money or make a transaction on Cash App, adding an important layer of security to your account. And that's it. Setting up your Cash App pin is quick and easy, and it helps protect your funds. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorial. Thank you.